What's up, guys, and welcome back to Athena's Garage. In today's video, we're going to be upgrading the reverse lights in the Tundra. Let's get right into it. These are the only tools you're going to need. A drill is not necessary, but a T30 Torx bit and some kind of plastic pry tool. I will have a link in the description where I got this exact pair of pry tools. It's pretty cheap on Amazon. And also, you're going to need your new lights. I'm using these Lasfit LED reverse lights. These things should be a heck of a lot brighter than factory. I'll show you guys a before and after the installation. First thing, we're going to remove these two T30 Torx bolts right here. Now that they're out, the light is free. You're going to want to take your pry tool here, and I'll bring you around to this side of the tail light, and I'll show you where to pry. You're going to want to pry top and about midway here. There are two little things, push-in things, and you're going to want to definitely use a plastic pry tool so you don't mar up your paint, and it just pops right out. Now that it's out, all we're looking for is this middle light, so you can pull the plug out. All you do is push that little thing right there and turn counterclockwise. You may have to get some pliers and twist this, but be very careful. And I'm just going to gently turn it so I can pull the bulb right out. And now all we're going to do is pull this bulb out and put the new one in. So now just take your bulb and pull it out like that. Get your new Lasfit LED reverse light and pop it in. These are polarity sensitive, so you're going to want to put it back on the wiring harness and then put your vehicle in reverse, or have someone help you put it in reverse to test out and make sure the light lights up. And if it doesn't, all you got to do is pull it out and flip it over. I actually took the tail light completely out, so I had a little bit easier access. But plug your LED light back into the wiring harness and see if it lights up when you put your vehicle in reverse. I don't have anyone out here to help me right now, so I'm going to record it and then check back on the recording. If it doesn't work, all you do is take the bulb out and flip it. So the bulb is working properly. Now we just need to reinstall the taillight. Just go back in reverse order. So all we're going to do is clip in some of these. I'm probably going to do the top one first. The reverse light. Click in our last connector here. Take the taillight and line it up on these bolts, or these push things back here. Pop it in. And now we can reinstall our Torx bolts. Take your bolts and thread them in first so you don't strip the threads. I'm not doing very tight because I don't want to strip anything. And that's it, guys. Now your reverse light should be completed, and it should be a heck of a lot brighter. Go put the truck in reverse and show you guys a before over here and an after. It's definitely more of a white light versus a yellow light, so it should give us a lot more visibility at night when we are reversing. I will now go into some B-roll footage of some before and after. Alright guys, that's going to be the end of the video. Hopefully it was pretty easy. It's a pretty simple, quick job to do the reverse lights on this truck. It's just a couple bolts and a couple things pop out this tail light. So hopefully that helped you if you needed any help. And if you have any questions, leave them down below in the comments. Don't forget, I have code Athena at lasfit.com for 15% off at checkout. Other than that, guys, if this video helped you out, consider liking it. Consider subscribing for more content with this Tundra. I got a bunch of more things coming out, so that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Hope you have a good one. Bye.